Come to an end and raise this very interesting question. Well, first of all, it depends. The role any religion can play is dependent on who are the people. If there are independent people who consider themselves citizens, who are allowed to educate themselves, who can understand the world around them in a rational manner, religion will have a different meaning. If people are kept the way we keep them in South Asia, religion will have a different meaning. In the first case, the religion will have to be for the people, and if it does not provide what people need, people will reject it and throw it out of the window. In the second case, people will remain for religion and do whatever the interpreters of the religion, who are mostly illiterate people, and generally serve the interest of the ruling elites. So people will be condemned to do what they are being told. And this is what they do, and then they divide. In the first case, religion can be a very invigorating, stimulating factor, because every religion initially addressed human problems in a rational manner. It brought about reforms in every society where the religion originated. It had nothing to do against any other people. So we can revert to that if we have a human existence. If we remain at the level of subhuman existence, then we kill each other. Because to be able to kill somebody, you have to be at a subhuman level. If you are at the level of humanity, you will never be able to kill, whether it is your religion or your land. In our country, everybody is being told you should be ready to die for your religion. Not live your religion, but die for your religion. Die for 1 inch of land. Now how ridiculous. I mean, give it away 1 inch, 2 inches, and live your life. So, depends where you are and how you are treated by others in the society, and that determines the place of religion. I don't want to say more about religion because I may say something wrong. Because actually I don't like any religion. So, let's pray for this. Yes.
Very brief. Is it working? Okay, we can.
Please touch it.
Take some time. I think we need to come to some kind of a conclusion. What should be the principle of the legal framework? The question is whether the state should have anything to do with any religion at all. So the answer, in my opinion, would be that state should be independent of religion. So that is one principle, and I think Altaf, what you, when you refer to controversial, I think more than a dozen sects living in Pakistan are controversial. If you allow people to talk about all those sects, and Boris and Shias and everyone under the Brahmi sects, all of them would be seen to be controversial by the Wahhabis or the Deobandis. So where do we put a limit to that? I think this is something, this is a very slippery slope, very tricky.
That's why I submitted that